Hello, in this video we show how to convert a date object into a string in R. So we will go to RStudio, and you can also find this source file if you want to download to try it. And this is the website for our training data website, and you can find the link from download menu. So we go to RStudio and working with this file, and we go to the section for converting a date into a string. So for example, sysdate can show the current date, and of course you can set different options to show the date and the time, different format. But this is a date object, and if we want to convert a date object into a string or character, so you can use two functions. The first is format, another is as.character. So format sysdate, so this is a string, and as.character also return a string, and this form by default is year, month, and day. But sometimes you may want another output for the date. For example, in American, date style is month, day, and year, and use the slash. So we can use option for the format option then by setting this form. So for example, format sysdate, and format is %m, %day, and %year. So the result is American format for the string representing the output of a date object. Thanks for watching.